Hi guys, it's Jamila here from Slapp. Today I'm going to be doing a video on a no-buy fry. As you guys know, my no-buy fries are a chance to go back through my collection and try things I already have and already own. As you can see, this one came off pretty vampy, pretty autumnal, pretty wintry, and I'm kind of feeling it. There are a few products in here that are amazing and a few that I'm now second guessing and wondering whether I should keep, but I'm just going to get into it. So if you haven't subscribed already guys, please subscribe. I'd love to have you in the Slapp family, and without further ado guys, here is the video. As you guys may know, a no-buy fry is when I go back through my collection and try things I haven't tried in a long time or things I already own and don't try or buy anything new. It's a great chance for my wallet to take a break, but it's also an opportunity to be a bit more sustainable and actually use the things I buy and try for you guys. First up, I'm going to prime my face, and I'm going to use a primer I never use. This is the Tatcha Silk Canvas. This is a mini and I'm surprised I've still got some left. I'm surprised I've still got so much left, to be fair. It's lasted me years and it's actually a really nice primer. I'm just going to use a little bit on my face. It's very smoothening. It makes me look very smooth and nice. So that's great. The really good dupe for this is the e.l.f. Putty Poreless Primer, which is pretty much the same thing, and it's like £5 or £6. Whereas this one is like £50, although I've got the mini and the mini is like £20 or something. So the mini lasts so long, so it's definitely one to go for if you're trying to save some dinero. Next up, I'm gonna go in with a slightly illuminating product. I very rarely use it, and because I used the Charlotte Tilbury the other day, Flawless Filter, and I really have been enjoying that, I thought I'd keep trying to try these like glowy illuminators I've got. This is from Kevyn Aucoin. This is the Spectrum Bronze. It is very shiny and intense, so I'm just going to put a little bit in the high points of my face. I should probably use this over my foundation, but I'm just trying to be different. I'm going to do brows, and I'm going to do a Glossier duo. I'm going to use the Glossier Boy Brow in the shade, I think this is dark brown or just brown, and the Glossier Brow Flick in brown. This one I feel like has better hold than the clear. Even though I like the clear because it's clear, I feel like this looks a bit more like together. I'm gonna go in with foundation whilst I let my eyes my brows kind of dry down a little bit. And I've got the Tom Ford Amazing Skin Foundation, but kind of the wrong shade, kind of going a bit grey, but super expensive foundation. This is the Shade and Illuminate Soft Radiance. Really nice, but it's just not my right shade. Well, it just kind of changed. It's the shade Chestnut. And at the time, it seemed like the right shade. I bought it in COVID, so I didn't get a chance to go into store and swatch it. But then actually trying others in store, I definitely realised it's not my shade. And also this is the Yummy Skin Serum Foundation from Danessa Myricks. This one is very glowy. I'm not sure which one to go for. I'm going to pop a bit on the back of my hand. This is the Danessa. Quite nice actually. And then this is the Tom. Oh, it's quite lightweight, I forgot. That's quite nice. I think I'm going to go for the Tom because it just feels like really nice and light on the skin. I have three concealers that I have my eye on. I've got the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk, which I really love and haven't used for absolutely ages. I totally forgot I had it, and then I saw it, I thought of it the other day, and I was like, I really need to use that again. I've got the Lancome 10 Eye Dull All Over concealer, which is a really good all over concealer, and it's got quite a nice golden tone to it. This is the shade 500 Suede. In the Giorgio Armani, I've got number 10. And also the Shiseido. The Shiseido Synchro Skin is also really good. So I'm tempted by all of them. I'm gonna put a little swatch on my hand. That's the Shiseido. Very creamy. This is the Lancome in the middle here. Quite lightweight. And then my Armani Luminous Silk, my baby. Just one here. I'm gonna go in with this. It looks nice. It's not as high a coverage as I'm used to, but I think it will be okay. I'm just going to leave it for a sec. Now I'm going to finish my brows, and I'm going to use the Brow Flick from Glossier. I do actually quite like it. My eyebrows do look a bit intense, but I think it's not bad. So I'm going to use the McGrath Mothership 5 palette. I'm just going to use the browns from it. For cream bronzer, I'm going to use the NARS, which I haven't really used as much. I thought I liked it, but I just haven't seemed to make it work really for me. So I'm going to try it again. It just doesn't work like some of my other bronzers. I don't know why. It's a bit spready. And I know I'm actually spreading it, but it's the only way I could get it to blend out. I'm going to go in with the Danessa Myricks Deep 2 Contour Balm. I really want to wear this cool tone palette. I don't know why, but it's calling me. So I'm going to go in with this one. They're so creamy. I'm going to powder now because I feel like I need powder. Now, I might just ruin my face, but I'm going to use a powder that I've been really intrigued to use. That is a really nice powder. I just think it may be a bit heavy, but I haven't used it, so I can't remember. So I'm going to use it. It is the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Powder in the shade 3 Tan Dark. I can't remember why I stopped using this, which is always scary. It's not too bad, but it doesn't look great. I think this is like pre-blurring. It doesn't look very good. I'm gonna use a touch of one of my favorite bronzers. It is the Christian Dior bronzer. At the moment, I'm feeling like I've taken enough risks, so I'm gonna use the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Intense. Just going to line my eyes and see what happens. My liner is pretty much run out, so I'm going to use a bit of pencil liner. I'm going to use the Pat McGrath Permagel Ultra Glide pencil in the shade Extreme Black. quite like this pencil. I feel like my undertone's a bit off, and I feel like it might be the Tom Ford foundation. There's something a bit off about it, but I'm going to keep persevering. For blusher, I'm going to use one of my favorite blushers. This is the Hermes blush in Rose Fur. I briefly spoke about it on my Black Friday video, so this is it. And for highlight, I'm going to use the Sephora highlighter that I bought recently at Sephora Rome. This is the Delicate Glow, and it's a really great nose bridge highlight. I really like it. So I do need to put mascara on, but first I want to do my lips. And I'm tempted, I'm torn between three. I want a Vampy lip, and I realize I don't have one. So I'm going to try three ones I do have. This is the Dior Rosewood. This is 720. Quite red, probably a bit too red for what I want to do. Then I've got the Rare Beauty Gifted, which I talked about recently when I did my video of the Lisa Eldridge lipstick in Sorcery. Not very far off from that. Not bad, but I don't think either of them are really... This looks a bit flat, this looks a bit bright. And last but not least that I pulled is the Guerlain Rouge G, another one I recently tried. This is in the shade 940. Very vampy. I'm going to try the Guerlain, even though I don't think I should, but I'm going to try it. I'm going to use the mirror that it comes with. I do like this actually, it's quite cool. And for mascara, I've got two. I have the Hourglass Unlocked, and I have the Pat McGrath Labs Dark Star. I don't know which one to go for. I think I'm gonna go for the Hourglass because I never use it. So guys, that is it. That's my finished look. That is my no buy fry for this month. I'm quite happy with how it turned out. I love the lipstick and I love the smoky eye. I was very impressed with the brow combo from Glossier. I really liked using the brow flick, and I'm going to try and use it more. I also really like the brow gel. One of my favorite things of the entire day was this eyeliner from Pat McGrath. Considering how much I love the Perma Precision liquid eyeliner, I didn't realize how much I would like this Permagel one, and I feel like I've used it before, but I clearly haven't used it enough. It's really nice and works as a really good replacement for that. It really gave me a nice shape to my eye, and it's really ultra pigmented and really intense black. So I'm really impressed with that. That's definitely been my favorite thing of the day. I also really love this Guerlain Rouge G lipstick. It's as vampy as I've got, but I think I might go and get one more type of vampy lipstick. So if you guys have any tips on a good deep red vampy, bold, autumnal, wintry lip, let me know. But I'm really happy with how this turned out. I think my base is the thing that's throwing it off the most. I think that's the Tom Ford foundation, and the concealer didn't work that well together. The powders didn't really work that well together either. But I think the eyes and the lips kind of saved it. But yeah, I'm happy enough with it. So let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, guys. Will you be buying anything? Will you be trying anything? Will you be no buying anything? Will you be retrying anything? Let me know in the comments down below. What was your favorite product? What do you already have? What do you like the look of? Let me know in the comments down below. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you haven't subscribed already, guys, please subscribe. We'd love to have you in the Slapp family. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.